Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Today I will explain you task of day 2 week 1 chunk 3 in summer pack of grade 5th. Topic is Plateau region. So look at page number 7. Plateau region. The Plateau region includes the Balochistan Plateau, the Salt Range and the Putuhar Plateau. The Balochistan Plateau region is sandy and dry because it has very little rainfall. Minerals like coal, natural gas, iron and copper are found in great quantity. The average height of the plateau is 600 to 900 meters. The Salt Range has an average height of 600 to 700 meters except as Saksar where it rises to almost 1500 meters. The Kura salt mine is located in the Salt Range. They are the biggest rock salt mine in the world. Much of the area is used for sheep grazing as the land is unsuitable for cultivation. The Putuhar Plateau has almost the same height as the Salt Range. Open page 8. The twin cities of Rawalpindi and Islamabad are located on the Putuhar Plateau. A part of the Putuhar Plateau region receives slightly more rainfall than the Balochistan Plateau region, so it is more fertile. Wheat, maize, barley, bajra, gram and groundnut are the major crops. However, much of the area is becoming barren because of low rainfall, deforestation and mining. In the Plateau region from May to September, hot and dusty winds blow across the area. There is very little rainfall in Balochistan Plateau, though the Putuhar Plateau receive adequate rainfall. Summer are hot and winter are mild in Balochistan, but in Putuhar region, winters are cooled. The Anatolian Plateau region in Turkey is quite similar to our plateaus. The average height varies from 600 to 1200 meters. It receives little annual rainfall in most of the area, but there are places receiving more, where wheat is the main crop. It has a semi-arid climate. It experiences high temperature in summer and low temperature in winter, like the Balochistan Plateau and the Salt Range, where the areas are unsuitable for cultivating crops. They are used to graze large herds of sheep, cattle and goats, like the people do in some parts of the Putuhar Plateau and Salt Range. The wool of the Angora goats called mohair is world famous. Coal, iron, copper, chrome and lead are some of the important minerals found in this region. In written work, you have worksheet and there is also answer keys. So you have to solve worksheet with the help of this answer key. Worksheet first. Topic: classification of region in Pakistan. Question 1. 4 choices are given to complete each sentence. Circle the correct option. A. Which of the following is not a physical region of Pakistan? Mountains, plains, peninsula, deserts. B. The average height of plateau is 600 to 800 meters. Number 2, 600 to 900 meters. Number 3, 600 to 300 meters. Number 4, none of the above. C. Islamabad and Rawalpindi are located on number 1, Balochistan Plateau. Number 2, Tibetan Plateau. Number 3, Putuhar Plateau. Number 4, Anatolian Plateau. D. Which of the following is not a feature of Plateau region? Number 1, semi-arid climate. Number 2, high annual rainfall. Number 3, hot summers. Number 4, sandy and dry. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The Plateau region of Pakistan include the dash range and the dash. Number 2. Summers are dash and winters are mild in Balochistan Plateau. Number 3. The twin cities of Rawalpindi and Islamabad are located on dash plateau. Here is answer key for you to complete this Worksheet.